This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by verifying prerequisites and taking a quick backup. Close Visual Studio Code, confirm you have the required permissions, and copy your settings. JSON and extension list. Once done, open VS Code and locate the Copilot extension by name or extension ID. You need to know whether it's an installed extension or bundled. Make sure to note any workspace-specific installs so you remove them from both user and workspace scopes. This avoids leaving a stray adapter active. You will now remove the extension and clean settings. Open extensions with Ctrl+Shift+X, search for Copilot, then select Disable for workspace first if present, then disable user or uninstall to fully remove it. After uninstalling, restart VS Code to unload any background services. Next, open Settings, JSON and search for Copilot. Asterisk keys, delete those lines to stop automatic activation. Make sure to inspect VS Code folders and projects for work. You finish by verifying no Copilot processes remain and removing authentication tokens. Open your system process list and confirm no Copilot agent runs. If it does, stop the process. Then go to Settings Authentication and remove any Copilot or GitHub tokens to prevent re-registration. Once done, restart your machine to clear caches. If VS Code still shows Copilot, reinstall then uninstall the extension and restore your backed up settings. JSON only after confirming the feature is fully gone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.